switches up, I tested these two wires, and they have, show you here, they have 26 volts AC to them, and I tested these two wires, 27 volts AC, and then I tested these two wires together, and I have millivolts. So these are the neutral wires right here. So I'm going to hook these two wires together, and then these two will go to the middle standoff on the switch that I got, and then these will be on their own. So whenever I tap left, it'll open the far garage door over there. Whenever I tap to the right, it'll open the second garage door. So let me hook that up, and I will be right back with you. Okay, I have it hooked up now. It turns out that the white wire goes to the far door, or that the power wires are opposite of what I thought.
Mom, can I show you?
So, here we go. I'll show you that they work. I'm going to hit the number 1. It should shut the number 1 door out there. It does. Number 2, switch. They both go down.
I have to look at it.
So that's one easy way to make 2 switches into one double pole switch, momentary on. I'll open them back up. And number 2.
Why?